How to fix Telegram username not showing. Username not visible on Telegram. Here's what you can do. Open Telegram settings and check if your username is set. Go to settings, then tap on edit profile and tap on username. If it's empty, create a username. If it's already set but not showing, try logging out and logging back in to refresh your profile. Update Telegram to the latest version to ensure username visibility box. Clear Telegram's cache to remove corrupted data. You can clear the cache from your mobile settings. If the username still does not appear, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Sometimes it might fix the issues. Use lowercase letters in your username to avoid confusion. Ever had issues with your Telegram username? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.